Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a Listly account and also add Listly to your Google Chrome browser as an extension up here. You'll see I have a lot of them already. But the first thing you need to do is go to Chrome Web Store, and I just do a search on it, and it'll be the first one that comes up. And it's really simple. You just do in the search browser, you do Listly, and then it'll be this little L. You add to Chrome and add extension. And you do need to be signed into your Chrome browser. So it'll keep that as a part of your settings. So if you have not signed into your Chrome browser, which is different than just being signed into your Google account, you actually have to sign into your Chrome browser separately. You'll go to this three-dot menu up in the upper right, go to settings, and then right here, usually it'll say sign in if you're not signed in right now. So that's the first thing you need to do. And then go here to Listly and add that to your browser, because that's kind of like Pinterest. If you're browsing, you can add things to Pinterest directly from wherever you're browsing. Well, the same thing happens with Listly. And so if you don't have a Listly account already, you can sign one or create one. I would just recommend you sign in with Google. It makes it a lot easier and it will connect those two accounts. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. And then it's really simple. You won't have any list if this is the first time, but if you go to your list or your dashboard, you can go right up here and then make a list. And then I'm going to name this current issues in ed tech and leave it a magazine. You can change it if you would like to. I don't ever do that. And then you are going to get out of this, add items down here in the lower left. And I can do this in a couple of different ways. So if mine was, I can go to virtual reality. Let's say mine is that. And I'm going to do, let's do virtual reality in education. So here's one that looks really recent. And it looks like it is different ways, understanding the potential for autistic. This looks like something that I would be interested in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go up here to my little L and click on add to Listly. And then if you see right here, pick a list to save to. And here's the list that I just created. I have all of these other ones. You guys have already looked at a list of same or examples. But I will choose current issues in ed tech, or if I don't have one, I can actually make one directly from here and then click on make new. But I'm going to click it there. And then here is what's going to come up in my Listly when I add it. So I'm going to click on save. Then when I go back over here, I'm going to click do later, and you'll notice that the one that I added is already there, and I hate that big L right there. So I'm going to click right here, click edit item. I'm just going to take off that L. You can actually add another picture if you'd like, and then click save. And so what it is, you can just click on your L, add things here, and then you can go back to this list and all of your resources will be collected in one place. And I just really like it. Again, you don't have to choose Listly to collect your resources. That's totally up to you if you want to do links on a Google Doc, or if you want to do Pinterest, or you want to do just however you would like to do it. It's totally up to you.